Hello everyone and welcome to the Mathematecher channel. Let's suppose that we have a bag that contains 10 balls, among which 6 are of white color. We pick up randomly one ball, and without putting it back into the bag, we pick randomly a second ball that we keep out of the bag, then we take randomly a third ball. Can you calculate the probability that the 3 balls we took would be of white color? So let's see the answer. For this, we will note as B, the event of picking up a white ball. And highlighted B, the event that the picked ball isn't white. Now, if we draw a pattern to represent this experiment, for our first random catch of a ball, we can distinguish two possible cases to happen, which are the event B, according to which the picked ball is white, and the event highlighted B, according to which the picked ball isn't white. Now, for the first case according to which we get a white ball, we distinguish two other cases for our second random catch of a ball, according to which, we may get the event B to happen or the event highlighted B. As for the second case, which mean that the picked ball isn't white, we would have for the second random catch of a ball, the event B to happen or the event highlighted B. Now for each of these four cases we distinguished, we may have for our third picked ball, a white ball, hence the event B to happen, or a non-white ball, hence, the event highlighted B to happen. Now if we observe this pattern that represents our experiment, we notice that there is only one path according to which the 3 picked ball would be of white color, which is represented as the intersection of the successive events B. Now, in order to calculate the probability for this path to happen, we note the probability for the first event B to happen, which equals the number of possibilities to get a white ball in our first catch, which equals 6, over the number of all possible outcomes, which equal 10. After our first catch, assuming that we took a white ball, as we're not putting it back to the bag, we would have 9 balls left in our bag among which 5 are white, hence the probability for the event B to happen, for the second picked ball would be equal to the number of possibilities to get a white ball that equals 5, over the number of all possible outcomes that equals 9. And now, for our third picked ball, assuming that we have previously picked a white ball from the 9 balls we had in our bag, we would be left with 8 balls among which 4 are of white color, so the probability for the event B to happen, for our third picked ball would be equal to the number of possibilities to get a white ball once again, which equals, this time, 4, over the number of all the possible outcomes that equals 8. Therefore, the probability for this path, according to which the 3 picked balls would be of white color, to happen, equals 6 over 10, times 5 over 9, times 4 over 8, which equals 1/6. And this answers our question. As always, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel if you hadn't already. Like and share the video, and until the next one, have a great time.